How to mute all participants on Zoom. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting and want to mute everyone, start by joining your meeting as the host. Once you're in, tap or click on the Participants button at the bottom of the screen to open the list of people in the meeting. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see the option that says Mute All. When you select it, all participants' microphones will be muted right away. A pop-up may also appear asking if you'd like to allow participants to unmute themselves, and you can choose yes or no depending on how you want to manage the meeting. If you want to mute everyone again later, you can repeat the same steps at any time. This feature is really helpful for keeping background noise under control, especially during large meetings, classes, or presentations. Even after muting all, you can still unmute individual participants whenever you need to. Remember, as the host, you're always in control of the audio settings, which makes the meeting smoother and less distracting for everyone. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.